Cereba AI is hands down the most advanced GoHighLevel AI marketing tool available. It's also the easiest to set up and deploy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cereba to convert leads, support customers, get referrals, and drive reviews. So let's get started. And before we dive into all the powerful features and just how easy it is to set up, I think it's very important you know a little bit about the team who built Cereba. To start, we are really good at marketing. Myself and the other founders, we've each worked in marketing for over 15 years. Collectively, we share diverse marketing backgrounds. We've managed millions of dollars of annual spend across multiple platforms and industries. So together, we're experts in creative, in copy, buyer journeys, automation, tracking, the list goes on. We brought all that experience and knowledge to the table when building Cereba. Now I'm telling you this because Cereba isn't an empty framework for you to just figure out. Cereba is built on marketing best practices with the flexibility to fine-tune anything you wish. So let's hop into the platform and I'm gonna give you a quick overview of how everything works. So when you first sign up, you're gonna be guided through making your Cereba core. Your core is a body of knowledge about your company. The services and the products you offer, your brand, your voice, your tone. This collection of information, it's used in everything Cereba does. To make your core, Cereba takes you through a guided AI-powered onboarding process. Just ask you a few questions, and from there, our AI agents, they gather and write everything for you. This includes your company story, your profile, your brand personality, and your FAQ database. We just need you to simply, check it for accuracy, make edits as needed, just to make sure everything's perfectly in line with your company and your services. Total time to do this, usually less than 10 minutes. So the next step is building your first campaign. Now, a campaign tells your AI agent what it's doing for you. This includes context of who it's talking to, what their expectations are, and the AI's goals, and all the information it needs to achieve its goals. Now, we have pre-made campaign templates for more common types, like appointment scheduling, getting reviews, or just general customer service. But you can design a campaign to do really anything you'd like. Now, you'll work with our campaign AI, which will guide you through a series of questions to understand what you're building. It's going to go over goals, engagement questions, order of operations, additional campaign knowledge, like if you're running a sale. It's also going to have digital assets for you to provide links or information to your customers and more. Now again, our AI puts all of this together for you. You simply need to check it for accuracy and edit as needed. Total time here, 10 to 12 minutes max. Now, the final step is connecting to GoHighLevel, setting up a two-step workflow. Now, this is super easy, and our platform does most of the work for you once you authenticate with GoHighLevel. The final step is less than 10 minutes. Now, once you've made your AI, you can test it right out in the platform to see how it's going to speak with your customers. And that's it. Now you're ready to start sending leads to Cereba AI right through HighLevel. The most powerful GoHighLevel AI solution set up in less than 30 minutes. And the best part is you can try it out completely free right now at cereba.ai. So sign up, start seeing results today, and never look back.